What's going on, guys? Welcome to this video. Today I have here the Samsung Galaxy Note Edge here on the right and the Samsung Galaxy Note 4. What I want to show you guys today is the customization that I have done on both phones, and also talk about the launcher that I have installed on both phones. On the Samsung Galaxy Note Edge, we installed Next Launcher 3D, which is one of the best launchers available right now. On the Note 4, I installed the Dodol Launcher. If you type launcher on the Play Store, the Dodol Launcher actually comes up first, and it's a really cool launcher and it's free. So let's start with the Samsung Galaxy Note Edge. Guys, like I said, this is the Next Launcher 3D here installed with Samsung Galaxy Note Edge, and I'm gonna talk about a couple of the customization that I have done here to this phone. So as you guys can see, we have this super clock widget installed right here. It's called Super Clock. There's a free version and there's a paid version. If you unlock the free version or the paid version, you're gonna get extra features. So as you guys can see, you can put a background for the clock, or you can do transparent. I'll show you in a moment how transparent look like. This is gonna give you information here of the weather. There's a weather widget right here. You get information of the battery. You get information of the calendar, and you get information of the city, the state, and the weather. And of course, you get the time. So this is like a 5-in-1 application. And if you tap right here, you can decide what the head displays, what the left circle displays, what the right circle displays, and so on and so on. Here's the location, the city, and all that. Right here you can customize the widget. So for example, clock background, right now I'm using a steel. We can change this to carbon. We can do transparent, and I'll show you quick how transparent looks like. So you're gonna be able to see through the clock right there and see the wallpaper in the background. You can also change the weather icon, as you guys can see, and you can also change the clock color. You can also change the clock dial. So that's as far as the weather widget right here. I also changed the icons. I'm gonna try to bring the phone close so you guys can see the icons. They are customized. This is an icon pack that I downloaded from the market, and take a look at the home icon right there. It looks really cool. And looking at the other screen right here, I also have some other icons. This one right here and the YouTube icon are different icons, different package. They're called 3D icons. And this is how the folder for this launcher looks like when you open it. It gives you that 3D effect every time you open it or close it. So let's see what else I did here. So change the dialer, and let's click right here. And this is a dialer that I'm using right now. This is a really cool dialer. You can go ahead and change everything here. You can resize the size of the dialer. You can bring it like up here. You can change the size of the numbers, the size of the keys, and it offers so many different features. And of course, you can download more themes and use different themes. So let's see what else here. I also changed the texting application. I'm using a Textra, which is a really nice application, and you can customize this application in many ways. For example, right here, it's gonna give you the option to change the look. You can change the text, you can change the size, you can change the mode, the theme. So that's as far as the texting application that we're using. Let's talk about the transition effects right now. As the transition effects, this launcher is super cool. Take a look at that really cool transition effect. And also, this is a customized widget right here that gives you access to the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, the data, the auto brightness, so on and so on. And there is a transition effect again. Another thing that was added and customized here is the calendar. Take a look at the 3D effect right here for the calendar. It looks really nice. And here's the access to the app drawer. And this is the transition effect inside of the app drawer. As you guys can see, it goes pretty quick. And this launcher also offers so many customization features. If we tap right here, this is gonna bring up all this menu. And you can do a lot of things here within the app drawer. Let's go back here, and now I want to show you the access right here to the dock. If we swipe up, you're gonna bring this carousel right here, and it's gonna show you all the different screens that you have you're using right now. You can go ahead and add screens or remove screens, and take a look at that. Looks super cool. You can also change the look of the carousel. You can do it like this. You can do it like this or this way. And the other thing is the access right here to the settings. And as you guys can see, it gives you that 3D effect. And then of course right here on the preferences, there are all the different settings for this launcher. I'm not gonna get into every single of these because it's gonna take too long, but I just wanted to show you guys quick all the customization and how this launcher looks like and behaves installed here on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So let's take a look now at the Note 4. Before we get into the Note 4, I just wanted to show you that I also changed the lock screen for this phone. So this is the lock screen that we have right now, and take a look at the effect as you move your finger to unlock the screen. So here's the Samsung Galaxy Note 4, and this is a Dodol Launcher, and I'm gonna go ahead and open right here the Play Store. As I told you before, if we type launcher, that's the first launcher that comes up, Dodol Launcher. This launcher is rated at 4.5 stars, and they advertise right here 10 million downloads, and it's free, so that's really cool. Just like I did on the Note Edge, I also customized here the clock, and as you guys can see, you know, this is a still background. It's showing right here the battery, the weather widget, the calendar, the seat and the state, the temperature, and also the time. And as you guys can see, the color on this clock, it's matching the theme that I have in the background. So the icons were also changed. I'm gonna bring the phone close to the camera so you guys can see. The icons were changed. The font, the letters for the name of the applications was also changed, as you guys can see. And there is also the icon for the home to access and exit the app drawer was also changed and customized. Let's take a look at the dialer that I'm using here, and this is a different dialer, and it's also really cool. You can customize this and do different transition effects. And let's take a look at the app drawer now. Here's the access to the app drawer, and this is the effect that we have right now, and as you guys can see, it's really quick. This launcher offers right here different options. We have apps, and also we have widgets. Also right here gives you different choices within the app drawer. You can do search, and this is going to take you to the market to download or to buy different themes from the developers of this launcher. So I'm also using here the Textra application for the texting. As I already mentioned it on the Note Edge, this is a really cool application. Other than that, guys, I'm going to show you right here the access to the menu and talk about some of the menus and the options. So this is how the menu looks like right here. You can go ahead and add more screens or remove screens. And what else we have here? We have under preferences different options as far as transition effects, the dock indicator, folder icon, home screen settings. I'm not gonna go into every single of these, but obviously, you know, these settings are gonna let you to customize the behavior and the look of your phone by changing all these things here for the launcher. So final conclusion, guys, you know, like I said, this is a free launcher. As you guys saw, it's rated 4.5 stars. It's free. It actually comes up first when you type a launcher, so it's getting a lot of attention. On the other hand, the next launcher, it offers really cool transition effects. Both launchers are really cool, and they work pretty good. They're really fast. They don't slow down the phone at all. So guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Subscribe for more. Please share the video to help others. Again, this was the Dodol Launcher on the Note 4 and next launcher 3D on the Samsung Galaxy Note Edge. Guys, we'll see you on the next one.